morning everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Orristris Eggnis. I am from 1 Bantul Junior High School. In this occasion, I will show you how to make a pencil case from waste bottle. To make it, we will need a waste plastic medium bottle, acrylic paint, 2 pieces of origami paper. The colors are optional, but in this case I use white and pink colors. Next, black and pink markers. Actually, the colors are optional. Next, a small paintbrush, a glue stick, a cutter, and a scissors. Well, I will tell you how to make it. Firstly, cut the unused part of the bottle using cutter. I will cut the top of the bottle and take the lower part. Then, paint it with white acrylic paint and let it dry. To dry it, we need 1 hour. Next, draw the outer parts of rabbit's ears on white origami paper and the inner parts in pink origami paper. And cut them with scissors. After that, stick the inner parts into the outer parts of the ears. Then, stick the ears into the outer parts of the bottle using glue. Finally, draw the rabbit's face using marker. Hooray! Our pencil case has been done. You can put your pencil here. Thank you for watching and see you!